Ever wonder how to send money across the globe securely and efficiently? Today, we're diving deep into sending SWIFT transfers with Chase Bank. First, log into your Chase account online. Make sure you have a valid username and password once logged in. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section of the menu. Look for an option like Wire Transfer or International Wire Transfer. It might also be under Send Money. Click on it. You'll be presented with a form requiring specific information. This is crucial. You'll need the recipient's full name and address, their bank name and address, their account number, and most importantly, the SWIFT BIC code. This code is like an international bank ID. The SWIFT BIC code ensures your money goes to the correct bank. Double check this. You can usually find it on the recipient's bank statement or by contacting their bank directly. Mistakes can cause delays or even rejection of the transfer, so accuracy is key. Also include the purpose for the transfer. For example, payment to a vendor. Now, let's talk fees. Chase charges a fee for SWIFT transfers. The amount varies depending on factors like the transfer amount and destination country. Check Chase's fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. There are also other fees involved by intermediary banks, and this cannot be foreseen by Chase. Transfer times can also vary. Typically, SWIFT transfers take between 1 to 5 business days, but it can sometimes be longer depending on the banks and countries involved. Once you've completed the form and reviewed all the information, submit your transfer request. You'll receive a confirmation with a reference number. Keep this number handy for tracking purposes so that you can communicate with Chase about all pertinent information. And that's it. Sending SWIFT transfers with Chase is straightforward, providing you have all the necessary information and double-check everything carefully. Now you're ready to send money worldwide with confidence.